roasted duck, stuffed with seasonal fruits and glazed with sweet orange maple glaze. You're going to need a duck. It's usually sold frozen, so you need to let it thaw in your fridge for a day or two. After removing package, give it a light rinse. If you have time, brine your bird. Although duck is normally fatty, brining will help keep meat tender. Pat your bird dry with paper towels. For additional flavor, you can marinate your bird. It will infuse meat with rich flavors. You can use a large dish or a large bag, pour marinade, and marinate it in your fridge overnight. On the day of roasting, pat your bird dry with paper towels. Again, there's no need to rinse. Then rub a light coat of oil all over the bird. Season it with salt and black pepper. Stuff the cavity with onions, apples, lemons, garlic, and some herbs. Be careful not to overstuff, as this will increase roasting time. Then tie the legs to secure the stuffing. Use a sharp knife to score the dog's skin. This will give a bird a crispy skin and will make a beautiful pattern once glazed. You want to use a roasting pan large enough to hold your bird with a roasting rack. Add some garlic, lemons, and herbs to the pan. Place your bird breast side down to allow juices to flow from the back to the front. Arrange your oven rack to the lower middle position. Roast your duck in the oven for 30-40 minutes. Carefully flip the bird breast side up, then continue roasting for about an hour and a half or remaining time. If browning too quickly, cover those areas with aluminum foil, or if it's browning way too quickly, just cover the whole thing. When your bird is almost done, glaze it with orange maple sauce or the included glaze from the package, whichever one you like better. Once roasted, cover the whole bird with aluminum foil. This resting time helps lock in all the juices, resulting in tender and so flavorful meat. After resting, glaze your bird one more time and enjoy it with extra sauce for dipping. This recipe is great for chicken, turkey, and other birds. Here's a make-ahead tip. If you're making this recipe in advance, a 3 to 5 pound duck will fit into the largest Rubbermaid container. Well, that's if you give a little gentle push. Enjoy this recipe, happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Bye!